All right, day one, Halloween's here. We are going to be doing a vampire theme. I'm going to be making a castle. So I'm going to be making a castle entrance. What I have here is the normal arbor that I use every year. Little cheapy thing from Amazon. I went and got some 7/16 OSB sheets of wood. Prices in 2024 are expensive. Kids are worth it. So got the wood where I want it, got the arbor where I want it. I'm gonna draw a picture, cut it out, add some paint. But this is all I have for day one. Sketched everything with the pencil, cut it out with a jigsaw circular saw. This piece just sits on top. Time to add some design to it. Start painting. I got some white paint down, some gray paint down. This is just the base. I'm gonna come back with some other paint and give it some detail. Got some, I think just some acrylic paint. Outlined the stone. I did end up going back and using my jigsaw and cutting the stone pieces on the inside to make it just to look a little bit more detailed. Probably didn't need it, but it does look good. I'll get in, added some shading on the white, around the white to try to make it look a little bit more 3D-ish. Castle entry has come to life. I finished the sides of it last night. Got them up. Let's walk on in, show you what we're working with. I got a bunch of pallets from some gentlemen on Facebook Market. Just put them together. I do have some screws from the front of the wood into the side of the pallet. And I did add some extra wood right here for reinforcement, just to hold everything together. This thing is solid, it's not moving anywhere. Show you the front of it. Front of it right there. Show you the top of it. Top came out good. Added some of my wife's lighting from her garden. Solar powered lights, they look good at night. Got 4 of them, 2 in the front, 2 on the side. I got some free fence panels, some old fence panels from somebody that was getting rid of them. Just cut them to the size I wanted and made a roof, joined 2 of them together. Just hung a bunch of stuff inside. So here's the top of the inside. We got a secret hiding compartment behind this black curtain in here. There's another one back in this direction. Probably put something up to hide the person that's in there. It's the back of it. All right, nighttime. We are done with this thing for the most part. This is what it looks like. We decided to go with blue lights. They turned out really good. See if I can. So the kids are gonna have to walk through that bad boy. Put some strobe lights inside. The top turned out pretty cool. Put some skulls up there. The shadows make it look pretty neat. We got some ropes, fake chains, hanging bats. We got some skulls, signs, heads. There's my boy. There's some fake bats, skeleton bats, more signs, a big old rat. Got some heads. So as the kids enter, they're going to be focused on all this stuff. We're going to be hiding in that cubby right back there. That cubby right back there. We'll have fog machines going. We'll have music. We have lightning. We have live actors. Kids will have to walk through here. We usually set up back here, hand out candy. There's my girlfriend. Don't tell my wife. That's the back side of it. What I usually like to do is to the left and right of the entryway. You can see it's clear. I leave it open so kids can run to the left and right of it, or they can be brave and go right back down the middle, whatever they choose. A lot of people don't like the strobes and the fog. I hear their comments every year, but hey, 15 years we've been doing this. It ain't gonna change. Back up a little bit. Curb. There it is. It's probably 13 feet tall. Turned out great. I like it. That is it. Build something.